If you're experiencing sync issues on Hopin, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try switching to a wired connection or moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Refresh the page. Sometimes, simply refreshing the Hopin page can resolve minor sync issues. Click the refresh button on your browser or press F5 to reload the page. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser. Outdated browsers can lead to compatibility issues. Check for updates and install the latest version if necessary. Step 5. Restart your device. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting your device. This can help clear any temporary glitches and refresh your system, potentially fixing the sync problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve sync issues on Hopin effectively. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Hopin support for further assistance.